The red button.
Alright, here we go. Try to fly this thing again, get it up in the air. There it goes.
You're gonna fly it right on the awning. I'm gonna laugh my ass off. You went far away. Fail.
Getting into a lot of destruction. A lot of things are in the way. Alright. There we go. Alright. I want to catch you. My little UFO.
You're an UFO.
It's like my little Area 51 project.
You do realize
Top secret.
I've just taken a 5-minute video of your butt.
You did?
I did.
Well, that's so girlfriend of you.
I know. Actually, I didn't, but it was still funny
top
to
secret.
me. Your
top secret, but everybody knows.
Your butt's top secret.
You know what? Your mom's top secret. Okay, here we go. Flying some more.
Tim, you're a fail. Now we know why. Tim, you did your ADD didn't make you forget that your girlfriend is like starving, right?
Okay, well, there's a bar and grill over there, so let's just take a walk over there.
Okay.
Come on.
Okay.
Get some food. This myth is busted. Oh.